Hey guys, so today is Sunday, September 10th. Irma is approaching, Hurricane Irma is approaching. I think it just left the Keys. It's about 11 o'clock right now, a.m. So we're just getting prepared. We just took showers, washed my hair. Probably gonna fill up the tub with water so that we have flushing water, and just cooking the rest of the food right now so that we actually have something to eat if the power goes out. And that's pretty much it. Freddie's watching the news, so let's go see what the news says.
The very latest on Hurricane Irma, 25.0 north, 81.5 west, winds of 130 miles per hour. It has not changed in intensity. It's moving to the north at 9 miles per hour. It was moving north-northwest. Now it's only 9 miles per hour, so something we have to watch as we continue our way through the rest of today. Take a look right now at the forecast track. As you can see, it's Category 4 as it heads its way through the off to the north a little bit quicker. Now here's a look at the winds that we can expect. You can see major hurricane winds all the way through the southwestern parts here of Florida, continuing as we work our way through the afternoon and into the evening hours through 7 p.m. Fort Myers, Sarasota, all the way down over towards Naples. Again, that's where we could see some of the worst of the weather, but we're going to start getting in on it also here in central Florida because it's a very broad system, and we're going to be on the east side of that system, and that's where some of the strongest winds are and some of the worst weather. And in fact, the best chance of tornadoes is on that east side. And that's going to be with us as we head through the overnight hours.
Hey guys, so it's around 1:11 in the afternoon, and now it's actually starting to pick up some rain. Not too crazy just yet, but definitely can hear the rain, and it's really loud and it's coming down out there. Let me see if I can show you guys through the window. No. Nothing inside here just yet. So yeah, it's not too bad just yet. It is kind of windy though. I don't know if you can see. So I'm outside right now. It's actually not that bad. Camera's fogging up. But it's just raining. A little bit of wind. Trees are so good. So I just heard on, well, I saw on Facebook that my cousin who lives about, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes from me, she lost power. And
you mean 5 minutes?
Well, yeah, I guess like 5 minutes away from me. And she lost power, and the storm hasn't even gotten to Orlando yet. So that's really scary. I hope that we don't lose power anytime soon. And there is food. So what do we have here? What is that?
Jibarito.
Jibarito, what is that? Sandwich?
Instead of bread, it's plantains.
Oh, interesting. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, mofongo with steak? Okay. And
banana beef. And banana pizza.
Yummy. Okay. Well, I'm gonna dig in, guys. I'll see you later. Hey guys, today is Monday, September 11th. Irma is definitely gone now. Now what is left behind is just the destruction of the high winds and everything. We haven't had power since last night at like around 9 p.m. and it's 10 a.m. right now, the next day. So we're waiting for that. I know it's gonna be a while. So I'm not expecting to get electricity anytime soon. Not today, not the next couple days. Like last time there was a hurricane like this, it was a week before we got electricity. So yeah, let's go ahead and assess the damage. I'm looking around the apartment and I don't see any damage. However, outside I took a little peek and it's pretty bad. It's kind of loud out here too because it's still very, very, very windy. So let's see. Lots of water seeping in on the porch. Lots of debris out there. Don't know if you can see that. Like I said, there's still lots of wind gusts coming through. Not as strong as they were this morning. This morning they were about, I don't know, like 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, which was really scary. So let's go ahead and go outside and check out what it looks like outside. Here's my car. So my car looks pretty intact. Just this is our window right here. I'm hearing a lot of branches falling down and hitting the windows. So as you saw, there's really a lot of debris out there. My hair's crazy because of the wind. But yeah, still lots of wind out there, but at least it's not raining and gusting winds of, 40 to 50, even 60 miles per hour. So very grateful that nothing crazy happened. I already spoke to my family, my friends, and thankfully they're all good too. So could have been much worse, but yeah, so we're good. After Irma, we're good. So we're driving around trying to see if there's any power anywhere. Doesn't look like it looks like it's just really shoddy and spotty. So some of the traffic lights are working, but a lot of the zones don't look like they have power.
No flags. No.
Yeah. So we're looking for a McDonald's. It's not super jam-packed. And there's a line coming out of the freaking onto the street. So we'll update you later on. Hey guys, I'm still alive. I'm still here, just chilling. I'm actually glued to the news and just watching what's going on everywhere. So yeah, I'll be here and giving you some updates later. Hey guys, so I'm coming into the kitchen right now because I need a snack for my anxiety because just waiting for this storm is making me super anxious. I just want it to be over with already. So let's see what we have here. We have some Sun Chips, some Ho-Hos, some Fudge Rounds, some Twix, Kit Kat, cookie, other type of bar. We also still have some cupcakes, which I think I'm gonna dig into. So let me frost. Also, as the storm gets closer and closer, I feel like my hair just gets bigger and bigger. It's a poof master right now, so I feel like a poodle. I don't know, it's weird, but I kind of like it. Is that weird? I'm gonna need the most serious cleanse after this storm passes because I've just been eating junk food after junk food. Like, it's real. So it looks nasty as hell outside, and they just issued a tornado warning. So I'm gonna go eat a cookie real quick. Guys, I just woke up and we're just kind of assessing the damage, but I wanted to show you how it looks out. So there is lots of debris. That's my neighbors. And on this side, branches on the side. As you see over there, there's a lot of branches that it was just hitting the building, and there is still lots of wind, but it's died down a lot, so I'm grateful that not a lot of damage. I took a little quick walk around the property, and it doesn't look bad. It could have been worse, so we're good.